Today I want to do something a little bit different. I'm going to conduct an experiment to see which is the right sort of shot to play here. Now we've got a fairly awkward shot. It's about 40 metres away from the green and the pin is up the front. Now my usual advice here will be to toss it up high and land it close, because I believe that's the way you'll consistently get the ball closer to the hole. A lot of people like to play a lower running shot in here, which I think adds a little bit of risk because you've got to negotiate ground and rough and humps and bumps and that sort of thing. But in the interest of finding out the truth, why don't we actually do the experiment? I have my son here who's videoing at the moment. He and I are going to do 10 shots with a sand wedge up in the air, land it close, hopefully, and 10 shots with an 8-iron, which is your lower running in shot. And we're going to basically see what happens, because it's not just one good shot that's important, it's the average or the consistent result that you're looking for. It's that percentage golf. It's not about hitting the odd sensational shot. It's about what's going to consistently get you closer. And that's how you're going to get the handicap down. All right, let's have a go and conduct our experiment. Result here, one at the front he's not too happy about, and one at the back. Otherwise it's a pretty good spread. Now let's have a little go with the 8-iron chip and run and see how that goes. So just walking up to the green here now, Ben's hit the 8s, and you can see what a vast difference that is. And the one that's close is only there because it hit another one and stopped. So much broader spread here with the 8s. Much broader. And that's Ben, who is a scratch golfer. So you can see that for a good player, it's much better to do the high soft landing shot in terms of getting the ball close, because you haven't got that inconsistent bounce coming in. Now if you're an average golfer, then it could be that the lower shot at this stage of your career is the best because you don't trust yourself with the higher one. But it shows you how important it is to practice that lofted shot, because A, you can use it over bunkers, but B, you're going to get closer to the flag, and that's how you're going to get your handicap down. So thank you very much to Ben. This has been a really interesting little experiment. I'm actually surprised just how poorly the 8-iron did. I thought it might get a little bit closer on average than this. So really interesting experiment.